القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 2, and this will be covering the idgham part 2. Okay, this will be covering the idgham part 2. So in the first lesson we done idgham part 1, in which we're looking at merging letters into letters in which are either the same or very similar, and now we'll be looking at letters of certain kind which are merged as well. So if you have a look at the introduction, it says, in the previous lesson we learned how to merge two of the same or very similar letters. In this lesson we will learn a different type of merging, different kind of merging. This merging is when two letters are completely different, or when a ghanna appears in a merge. Okay, so more specifically, the vowelless letters which occur in the first word are, so don't forget, when we have idgham we have vowelless letters. Okay, vowelless letters in the first one, or vowelless sounds in the first word, and the second word is mutaharrik, it has a vowel on it. Okay, so in this lesson, with the vowelless letters that we are going to take are the noon and the tanween. The tanween is of course the fathatain, the kasratain, and the dhammatain. And if we have a look, that the noon, the tanween, the last sound in the tanween is of course the noon sound. Yes, so when we say an, that last sound is the noon. When we say in, that last sound is the noon. And when we say that last sound is the noon. The last sound is the noon here. Okay, so if we see that tanween and noon sakin are actually two of the same things. Noon sakin meaning it has a sakin on it. The noon has a sakin on it. Okay, so it's vowelless. And the noon and these are also vowelless because we end on that word. Okay, end on that letter. So the vowelless letters which occur in the first word in this type of idgham is the noon sakin and the noon sakin within the tanween. Okay, now the noon sakin and tanween, they merge into 6 letters, 6 letters of idgham in which the noon and the tanween are merged, which are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, and noon. And this has been given by the scholars as yarmalun, if you want to learn it in a very easy way. Okay, so these will be the first letters of the second word. These will be the first letters of the second word. So if we have a look here, this is the examples that we can take, right? So here, remember, if there is no haraka on a letter, no diacritic mark on a letter, then that will be taken as a sakin. All right, so we can see the first letter is min and the second letter is rabbihim. Okay, rabbihim, so that is what's going to be merged into. Yeah, so we can say that this is mir rabbihim, mir rabbihim, mir rabbihim. All right, so we can see that sounds like this. So mir rabbihim, we take this and it goes straight into the ra. We take this kasra and it goes straight into the ra. Mir rabbihim, we do not say the noon at all. Okay, this is min, and then the first letter is ladunka. Okay, so the first letter is the lam with the fatha, so it's min ladunka, min ladunka, min ladunka. Okay, so this kasra will go straight into the lam with the shadda on it. Here we can see that is men, this word is men, and this second word is ma'iya. Alright, so mem ma'iya, mem ma'iya, mem ma'iya. Don't forget, when we got the meme with the shadda on it, this has a ghanna, so we need to be careful, make sure that we're saying the ghanna. Okay, mem ma'iya, mem ma'iya. So this fatha is going straight into the meme. This is min, and the second word is ni'mah or ni'matin. So we can say min ni'matin, min ni'matin, min ni'matin. So we can see here this kasra is going straight into the noon, and again this is a ghanna letter, so we are going to say the noon with the ghanna. This example has been given with a tanween. The tanween has the noon sound at the end. This is malan, malan. And then وعدده, وعدده. Remember, this is the diminutive med of the dhamma. So it's like a waw at the end. وعدده. Alright, so the way we will join it in, so we'll go into the waw. Wow. مالا وعدده, مالا وعدده, مالا وعدده. Now if you notice, this waw doesn't have a shadda. Okay, so this has a shadda, this has the shadda, this has the shadda, this has the shadda. So the ra, lam, mim, if it's going from the noon, and the noon itself, they all have shaddas. Okay, but the waw, and in the next example, the ya, they have no shadda, even though we are merging them into that. Okay, there's a specific reason for it, but you don't need to worry about it for now. All you need to know is that when we have a tanween and we have a waw or a ya, or if we have a noon sakin, a noon with a sakin on it, and we have a waw and a ya, then this needs to be merged together with an idgham, with a ghunna, sorry, with a ghunna, right? So this needs to be merged with a ghunna. So we say مالا وعدده, مالا وعدده. Let's take this example. This is man, this is يعمل. So من يعمل, من يعمل, من يعمل. So what you should do now is go, after learning this and reading it, so let's do it 3 times inshallah. من ربهم, من ربهم, من ربهم. من لدنك, من لدنك, من لدنك. من معي, من معي, من معي. من نعمة, من نعمة, من نعمة. مالا وعدده, مالا وعدده, مالا وعدده. من يعمل, من يعمل, من يعمل. So now that you've practiced these, you should go to the Mus'haf, to the Quranic copies, and find examples of this and read them as you go along. You should be able to read the basic Arabic text for now. So inshallah, it should be getting easier and easier for you. And also you should start practicing the Quranic reading yourself, because you know how to read individual words. It's just about trying to string them together now. Okay? And inshallah, I'll see you in the next video.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.